The future of clean energy has taken shape in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, and Loudon County Fence is proud to help build it. Loudon County Fence has grown from humble roots to a leader in industrial, commercial, and security fencing projects. Here at the TRISO-X Fuel Fabrication Facility, we're installing the full perimeter fence and all internal fencing, protecting not only the outer boundary, but securing every retention zone, structure, and sensitive area inside the site. We were selected for this project because we hold the highest level of licensure available in Tennessee. We're approved for large-scale industrial, commercial, and government projects of any size. That means our work at TRISO-X isn't just about building a fence. It's about meeting rigorous financial standards and certifications for safety, compliance, and quality. Now, we're applying that same expertise to the TRISO-X side, where advanced nuclear fuel fabrication meets the highest demands of security and precision. Loudon County Fence, providing the security solutions you need, on time, on budget, with the standards you expect from a company with half a century of experience and the credentials to handle the biggest jobs.